Hi, I'm Paul Lawrence, principal of Spratly Gifted Center. I wanted to take a moment to thank you for watching our presentation on Open House and welcome you to the 2020-2021 school year. We understand that this is a school year unlike any other we've ever had a chance to experience, and we are working our best to try to put together a program that will be engaging for students and helpful for parents so that we can all get together on this and do our best to give our kids the best school year that we can. Remember that we are always here for you. If you need any communication, please reach out by email or call the school. We will talk it through with you and help you come to an answer. And we wanted you to know that we are all in this together, and we're going to do our best to work with you no matter what happens. So enjoy this presentation, and again, welcome to the school year. We hope that you have a great one.